What is up, my dudes? It is the Sid Bean back again. Today we're going to be doing a blue-green cut crease because I have a problem with those. So let's get started. So we're going to be starting out with my new NYX Ultimates palettes. I am so excited to jump into this. Just look at those colors. Oh, my favorite. So starting out with just my usual fluffy brush. I didn't show the beginning because I forgot, but this time it doesn't have names, so I'm going to have to show you the colors I use. Going in with this like teal blue, and it's supposed to be like a periwinkle looking color, and I'm just going to mix those together to get this blue color that I have going on. Gotta tap that brush, my dudes. And I'm just focusing this blue color on the outer corner because we're going into like an ombre kind of effect. And you'll see what I mean in just a second. Okay, now I'm going in with that flat blending brush that I like to use, and I'm just going to go in with this green color. And that one we're just going to focus on the middle part of your eye in the crease, just because it's going to fade into this lighter green color. Alright, now we're going in with that lighter green color. It looks very yellow. Yep, it looks very yellow, so I didn't know how to show you guys what it actually looked like. And that one's just gonna go on the inner corner. You can see it starts to like more make that ombre effect right there. This palette did take a lot of building up, I feel, too, so I kept dipping back into all of the colors just to kind of blend them all together a little bit better. And I didn't clean my brush off in between the colors, too, because I feel like it gave me just a little bit better of a fade. And taking my blending brush, I'm just going to blend them all together again. It's a lot of blending. Alright, now I'm going in with this concealer brush. I forgot to put it in my description last time, but I do show you here. It is number 45 by Sephora Collections, the Precision Concealer Brush. Completely out of focus, don't mind me. And again, we're just gonna cut the crease. Cutting the crease is probably the most stressful part of my whole day, because I'm so bad at it, so... Alright, now I'm going in with that light color again. I actually didn't powder this part too, because I wanted to go on a wet base to see if the colors would pick up a little brighter. And for the light one it did, but you'll see for the other two they didn't blend out too well. Here we go in with the green, and you can see like right up, like closer to the crease, didn't pick up any pigment. So fair warning, this palette that I got personally, I don't know if it's all of them, had a harder time blending on a wet base, which is just weird to me. Then going in with the blue, and I just think it's around the crease area. I don't know what the problem was. But same thing, I'm just gonna build them up and just keep adding pigment. See, after a couple tries it did start blending a little bit better. Going back in with the fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend the colors together as much as I can. But I do keep going in with especially that green color in the middle, because I wanted to focus a lot of it on that green. So I keep trying to add that up, but the wet base wasn't working. So now I'm just going to go back in with that concealer brush that I used, and we're just going to do a line in the crease. This was so stressful, so be patient with yourself because I was just rushing it. And the concealer I'm using, actually I'm trying the NARS Soft Matte one, the one in the pot. I just have a sample of it. But I will put the link in description. Now I'm using a Makeup Forever pigment. It's just a loose, like, holographic pigment. And I'm just going to pretty much set the concealer with that because I wanted it to almost, like, glow, if that makes sense. And with this pigment, I did feel like you could be a little bit messier because it wiped away pretty easily on already a dry canvas. But it picked up really well on that, like, the wet concealer. And I'm just taking my flat brush again and building up the color again just to make sure that everything was bright as I wanted it to, and it helped clean up that messy part, if that made sense. Take off that tape and we're gonna go in. I like glitter. You can see on the other eye, I like glitter. So we're just gonna do pretty much how you would put like liquid eyeliner on, but with eyelash glue. And then I'm gonna take my disgusting glitter brush, and I'm just patting. It's the Silver Glitter by NYX, which I will also link in the description below. And again, just back up with that gross glitter brush. Did you see all of that glitter just fall off of the brush? It's everywhere. Yep, I'm a disaster. I'm going in with the Hypnose Drama by Lancome this time. This one's such a nice formula, just because like you can even see I have eyelash glue on my lashes, but it still gives me really good length and really good volume with my lashes stick together, so... Oh, and I also, we didn't put that part in, but I went and I just wiped off all of that excess glitter and all that fallout. I don't have any makeup wipes, so I just went and used a washcloth. So now I'm just putting the same lashes I used in the last video. They are the House of Lashes Sephora collection, which I will also have linked in the description below. I still can't remember what they're called though, so don't judge me. Alright, went and did my foundation because you guys probably don't want to see that again. Everybody puts their foundation on the same. And now I'm just taking that green color, the brighter green, and just putting that underneath, just on my outer part, and you'll see what I do. And then I'm taking the blue color that's on my inner corner, and I'm just going to do the inner part and kind of blend those together in the middle. I just wanted to keep this ombre theme that I had going on. And after I did this look too, I kind of wish that I just went with normal black eyeliner. The glitter liner just seems like it's a little too much. But with black eyeliner, I'm pretty sure you can probably wear this, I don't want to say every day because it's very bright, but you can wear it a lot more often. But I would wear it every day because of who I am. Just going in with the same mascara on the bottom lashes. Alright, and then I'm just taking my NARS eyeliner pencil just in black. And I'm just outlining the waterline. You don't have to use black, I just wanted a really dramatic, crazy look, and I feel like that just gave me the drama I needed. And I'm just taking a fluffy brush, wiping away all of that little excess fallout. And now we going in with highlighter. This time I used It's Fenty again. Look at those lights. Sorry guys. I'll fix it one day. But I'm just going in with the Fenty highlighter. It's the blue and purple, if I remember right. No, sorry, it's the blue and the cream one, and I'll link that below. I just don't remember what the name is. And I am wetting the highlighter. You can see me getting so frustrated with those lights. I just feel when you wet the highlighter as well, it just gives you a little bit more of a pop, and I like that extra highlight. Now I'm just going in, it's the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. Love it, it's so nice. One of the only glosses I can actually wear. And my setting spray is just Urban Decay. Gotta drown yourself, get everything solid. And there's the finished look. If you guys liked it, let me know. Go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, whatever you feel like. And if you guys have any more ideas for me, just link them down below. Thank you.